Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the assets you need and picking a delivery format. You want menu text, allergen notes, and clear photos. Once done, convert items into categories and finalize prices. Next, choose whether to host a web page, PDF, or cloud document. PDF is simple. A web page allows analytics. Then select a QR generator that offers dynamic links so you can update content without reprinting codes. Make sure to create a short, consistent URL slug for easier tracking and branding. Now build the menu page itself with mobile-first design and clear navigation. Use large fonts and tap targets so users can order or view allergens quickly. Once your page looks right, compress images and ensure PDFs stay under 2 MB to avoid slow loads. Add UTM or analytics tags so you can measure scans and conversions. Once everything is assembled, generate the dynamic short link, create a QR code, and test scanning on multiple devices and browsers to confirm consistent behavior and load speed. Finish by exporting a high-contrast QR image at print quality and include a quiet zone around the code. Add a small logo only if it remains scannable. Place codes where they're visible, table tents, entrance posters, laminated menus, and include a short printed URL as a fallback. Once live, monitor scans and page metrics. Update the dynamic target if you change menus. If scans fail, check contrast, print size, and margin first. This single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.